Hi, welcome to Singapore Deals. Okay, what I have here with me is our bicycle alarm. Okay, very compact, very small, yet very powerful. Okay, this will emit a siren of about 110 decibels. Okay, it's a 3 alphabet keypad. Okay, there you can see the siren here. Okay, powered by 9-volt battery, which is not included. Okay, also comes with the screws for mounting this on your bicycle frame or your seat post. Okay, very easy to operate. Okay, it will come with a default ABCA combination. So let's say if you want to change the combination to your preferred combination, what you do is just press and hold the A button until you hear the beep sound. Okay, then you enter your old code first, which is the ABCA, followed by your new code. Okay, all that has to be done within the next 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, enter the old code ABCA. Double beep means it's successful. Okay, then enter your new code AA. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, old code ABCA, double beep, then followed by your new code AABC. Okay, double beep means it's successful. Okay, let's say just now you heard the long beep. That means something is wrong, or basically you entered the wrong code. Okay. Comes with 3 levels of sensitivity. Okay, high, medium, and low. Okay, and to change that, you basically just press and hold the C button. Okay, triple beep means it's on the lowest setting. That means low sensitivity. Okay. Okay, 1 beep is the highest. 2 beeps is the moderate. Okay, let's leave it at that for the time being. Okay, to arm the alarm, okay, just now we already changed the code to AABC. So to arm the alarm, just press and hold the B button until you hear a beep sound. So once you hear the beep sound, the alarm will start to be activated or to be armed, okay, after 5 seconds. So when you move it around or someone comes and touch your bicycle, any form of vibration, okay, the alarm will go off. Okay, it will sound for the next 5 seconds. Okay, after which, if you keep on shaking the bike or moving it around, it will continue to sound for 15 seconds. Very, very loud. Okay, just show you a demonstration here. So arm the alarm, pressing B. Okay, already armed. Okay, within the next 5 seconds. Okay, the bike's already armed. Okay, I'm just going to tap the table a bit. Okay, so that was the first alarm. So let's say if the would-be thief, okay, was not deterred by that, okay, and he continues to shake it around again, okay, that short alarm will be followed by a long 15 seconds alarm. Right, I won't be showing you that in this video. Okay, so to disarm the alarm, basically just key in your code, which was just now was AABC. Okay, double beep means it's disarm. Okay, now some users commented that, hey, if I were to, if you want to steal a bike, I can just easily remove the battery and basically the alarm will be disabled. Well, it's not as easy as that. Okay, why is because, okay, now you have this alarm on your bicycle frame. Okay, and when it's armed, okay, it will go off at the slightest touch. So basically, if the thief were to, come and want to remove the battery, okay, and okay, you have the battery in this position. Okay, and this is fixed onto your bike. It's really not easy to remove the battery, okay, unless you tap the battery out. Okay, hence we don't recommend inserting the battery this way. Right, so insert your battery the other way around, okay, with the wires in the device itself. Okay, and unless this alarm is not properly secured to your bike, Okay, you have to tap the battery out to remove it. So not as easy as some people commented. So there you go, our bicycle alarm. Thank you for watching.